Good day, Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Groma, Germany, right? That's from Germany, I think, right? Yeah, don't see too many of these, but it's got a type alignment problem. I want to see if I can get a little bit better. This is not part of what I told the customer I would do, but I noticed when I was typing my final test out that the A seems a little high. See how that's a little high? Capitals too are a little high. Everything else seems pretty good. So I'm going to see if I can get that A to come down just a little bit without causing too much complications. So we're going to use type bending tool here, and I'm going to stick this, use the type bar, and you stick this between these two pieces, and if it's in here this direction and you squeeze it, it's actually going to make this part go down. So if I squeeze it this side, it'll make it go up. If you flip this over, put it in here like this, it would make this go up. So we're going to be using the side of the tool, and we're going to stick it on here and give this just a little bit of a tweak and hope nothing else gets messed up in the process. I hate to say, this can be really, really sensitive. Okay, so there's our A, and so this way it's going to force that head down a little bit, the typeface. And let's see if I can get this. I have no idea how strong this type bar is. I've never done this to one of these, but the main trick is supposed to get it in these grooves, but it's not fitting. So I'm going to do it on the outside of these guys. Just line everything up nice like that. Probably the trick is to do this, make as little of a bend as possible. So I'm just going to squeeze this just a little bit until I feel that it moved a little. I'm not even sure that did anything, but I want to be on the safe side of things, so. Oh, it definitely moved something. I think we got it. I think that's close enough, because I don't want to go below the line. So look at that AH now compared to the AH above it. Pretty nice. All right, I like this. So the word that I saw, it was AM. And that was way off. That's pretty good right there. I think we got it. Perfect. All right. I like it. So that was a basic type alignment using a type bender tool that I've had for 40 years and put some plastic dip on it because the old handle broke off. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.